What's the meaning of ataxy? Ataxy. Ataxy.
Ataxy. Ataxy. Ataxia is a neurological condition that affects a person's ability to coordinate their movements. It can result in difficulty walking, speaking, and performing other daily tasks. Symptoms of ataxia may include clumsiness, loss of balance, unsteady gait, and tremors. Ataxia can be caused by a variety of factors such as genetics, injury, or underlying medical conditions. Treatment options for ataxia may include physical therapy, medication, or surgery depending on the cause and severity of the condition.